The Night Ministry's mission is to provide housing support, health care, and human connection to our city's unhoused community and those experiencing poverty, which is increasingly important during the holidays and the cold winter season.
President and CEO Carol J. Sharp joins us now with more. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.
This is the time of year when Chicago is just downright dangerous for folks.
It is.
You guys must be very busy, and how do you approach helping the unhoused?
Yeah, so there are really two pillars to our work. One is centered around the healthcare arm, in that we operate as a free and charitable clinic, providing healthcare options to individuals living in encampments and in various neighborhoods across Chicago. And then we have our housing support. We have two shelters. One is an open door shelter, and then we have an emergency shelter that we increase the hours so that individuals can gain access to some housing when the temperature reaches the frigid level.
And what's amazing is that you guys are mobile.
We are.
You're able to get around the city and go to where the people are, where the need is.
Absolutely, absolutely. Through our mobile health units, we have a team of nurse practitioners, psychiatric nurse practitioners, case managers. They are all together on the buses headed to various communities across the south side, west sides of the city, as well as a street medicine van that goes out to various communities as well, into encampments.
What kind of services are you providing with this mobile care?
Yeah, so here you'll see that we're providing food, access to those survival supplies. So during the winter months, that might include gloves, tents, as well as scarves and things like that. And then we are sitting down working with individuals to help them to get IDs so that they can be able to qualify for housing when it becomes available. They will oftentimes utilize our organization as their main address so that they can get access to that pertinent information, social security cards and things like that, so that when it becomes available, we're able to give that to them. So in addition to the medical services, we're also helping them get the paperwork so that they can become established to get jobs, as well as access to housing.
What is the biggest hurdle that you have to overcome in getting out to help people?
Gosh, it's really the support as well as building that human connection. You know, you see the first pillar of our mission is to provide human connection, and that's very purposeful. We know that in order to support individuals, we have to build trust, and we do that by having conversations and understanding what's their story, how they found themselves in this particular situation, and recognizing that this situation doesn't necessarily define who they are and what they're capable of. And so being open-minded and ensuring that everyone understands that we believe in their potential to succeed, whatever that looks like for them, really is what helps us to be able to move them into more stable living environments.
And you have some new initiatives that you would like to get started?
We do. And so, for nearly 50 years, our organization was founded in 1976, and for nearly 50 years, we've continued to provide that housing support. We are looking to expand our community housing, our scattered site housing, as well as we are leading a youth action board for the state of Illinois, and it helps us to engage young people who are living precariously housed and using their voice to define what are the services that they need. I oftentimes talk about my journey as I navigated a non-traditional experience on the south side of the city, living in a foster home, and reuniting with my mom, who was on the north side of the city, and truly to understand the type of resources that's necessary for young people in those types of situations. You have to have a conversation with them. You have to bring them together and help them to define what does various pathways might look like. And so that's what we're excited to do. We are also getting ready for our annual benefit. It's taking place on May 29th, and so we're really excited about that as well.
Today is Giving Tuesday. What can folks do who may not have the time to offer up their own services, but to help you all out?
Yeah, so we are very fortunate, incredibly fortunate, to be partnering with our friends over at the Alvin H. Baum Family Fund, and they are offering us a matching gift opportunity. So individuals who don't donate to us today, if you donate $20, it becomes $40, and if you donate $50, it becomes $100. And
amazing.
So we are certainly accepting donations. Please visit our website at www.thenightministry.org to learn more, and you can give from now through December 15th. All donations will be matched.
That's amazing. Yeah, as she mentioned, the website is right there on your screen. Check that out. Their social media handles and the phone number if you'd like to get in contact for help or to give help. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Carol.
Thank you.
All right.